Hello, I'm Fernando from Mart Restaurant Supply. School's starting, so you know what that means. Culinary arts programs are back in action, and we want to make sure that we arm all culinary students with everything they need to get through their culinary arts classes, from high school to college. Let's take a look into the basics that we have to offer you. First things first, you're going to need a very durable and reliable carrying bag. This one is made by Mercer, has a shoulder strap and a carrying strap for easy transportation from class to class. It also features pockets on the inside that'll help keep your tools in place, and different tiers so you can carry more every time. Additionally, we also have things essential like knives. This one is a paring knife, small, good for tedious tasks like cutting fruits and portioning out smaller cuts of meat. We also have essential chef's knives from 6 to 10 inches. These are your all-purpose tools that any culinary student needs. We also have basic tools like high-heat spatulas and tongs that'll help keep you protected when you cook and prep. And we also have prep tools like whisks and piano whips, and food safety equipment like thermometers. Here at Mart, we have more than just the basic things that you'll need to get through classes. So you can see behind me, we have all the inventory you'll need past the basics in order to practice at home, practice at school, and fine-tune your craft. And for all students, when you show us your ID at the counter, you can get 10% off all replenishment stock you'll need throughout the school year. So if you want to get some extra prep tools for home, or you need to replace something, we are your go-to place. I'm Fernando from Mart, and to stock up on all your culinary needs, you can walk right into any one of our Texas store locations or shop online at acemart.com.